It's been a busy week. Let's see what made the Intense 5. Cardi B is just chill no matter the situation. Apparently her outfit ripped while performing, and in true Cardi style, she kept it real and then got a bathrobe to cover herself and kept it going. Gotta love Cardi.
Yup. Mackerel. She's dating a psychic who should have told her to wear a seatbelt. And of course, yet another video goes viral.
So proud of the reggae girls. Even though they did not make it through to the next round, them still sell off just like that goal against Australia.
Woohoo! From the reggae girls to the reggae boys with the newest addition, Leon Bailey. The boys looked good as they beat Honduras 3-2 in the CONCACAF Gold Cup, looking for more. By the way, after they won, they were heading out on a chartered flight, but the boys said no money, no go. They delayed the flight until they were all paid.
Oh, nice!
Yeah.
Pauline. And finally holding the spot this week, the letter that was written by the principal of a high school in St. James. She basically tells the parents that their child has a completely different complexion now when compared to pictures back when they started school. And clearly it's a skin condition that needs to be checked out. Oh, and the best part is, do not return to school until the color has returned. Big up to you. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.